Hello everyone. Are you looking for a tool that can summarize length documents and articles? Tome AI is an intelligent tool that quickly extracts key informations and generates concise summaries. In this video, we will show you how to use Tome AI to summarize text effectively, from inputting your documents and selecting the desired level of summarizations. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first thing, go ahead and launch your browser, go to the URL section and search for Tome AI. Here, click on the first link, and as you can see, I have already an account in it. This is, guys, one of the best AIs that I have ever tried. They have so much quality, and I don't think they have any like bad things, bad uh, prices or something like that. It is 100% free. You have all the presentations and everything. You can make literally everything as a presentation. So if you had a big text, it will summarize it for you and make it as a presentation. There is a bunch of options to go through. So I will show you everything now in steps. The first thing is go ahead and go into your account and create a new template from here. From now, you will have here so many options. For example, there is, let me just click here, control, and as you may see here, send SMSs, getting started guide, prompt writing tips, rename tome, and copy tome link, export to PDF, record narration, set theme, new web link. As you may see here, there is a bunch of options. So for us now, I'm going with create presentation about. And let's try to do, for example, the art style. I'm going to choose fantasy. And let's try here, Word or 2. Click enter. And let's check what are the results. It can take a couple seconds until it's fully created the whole presentation for us. And now, as you may see, 7 slides, 8 slides, 9 slides, and it's still going. If you want to gain more points or something like that, as you can see, as much as you create more images or more slides, you will gain AI credits. And those credits are going to be so useful in the next updates as they mentioned. So now let's go here. This is the first page. In the first page, you can literally edit literally everything from the text and listen to Fury, the untold story of World War II. Here you can change the background, as you can see. You can make it ocean, make it moss, cream, and just make it, for example, dark, as it matches the actual theme. We can add from here image, and we can either create a new image from here, so we can use a prompt and create an image, for example, war generates. And as you may see here, my balance will not allow me to actually go any further. So I have 260 credits, and as you may see here, it is going down every second. AI computer credit lets you generate narrative in images and rewrite text with AI. Upgraded Tom Pro for unlimited AI credits. So now I'm just gonna keep it simple and choose one of these images. So here we go. This image sounds cool for war. And what I'm going to do is change, for example, the text here. I'm going to remove this and keep it like that. Here you can even, like as I said, make it big, small, and half as you've seen before, or like that, which is pretty good. You can, the very cool thing is you can actually make a voiceover. Click here and start recording using your voice. So unfortunately, they don't have the AI that you will give them the script and it will start reading it for you. But you will start recording by your own, and it will do everything, literally everything for you. So just record, and it will record it and try to make it. It will try to make it fit each slide and another, so they will not be out of context stuff and etc. In case you'd like to start doing that, make sure guys to give permission. So click here and go for microphone, give it permission, and just like so you will be able to record. So as you can see here, now apply update settings, so we have to reload the page, and now we will be able to actually start recording, as you may notice. So let's give it also camera, so it has the both microphone and camera. And here we go. So now just choose your microphone, start recording, as you may notice here. And yeah, start talking. Hello everyone, and now I will tell you the untold story of World War II. And when you feel like you're done, click here and you're done recording. And once you feel like you want to replay it, so you can click here and it will start working. And for those who doesn't have time to record, you can also download this as a presentation and go to another AI that will make you AI voices and merge them together. You can literally do that, and that will save tons of time. Here we create presentations. In other AI, you can create scripts and voice lines, and you can merge them in one video, and that will save a hell of time for you guys. So in general, if you'd like to save it, just click here and make sure to actually export it as a PDF or something like that. Don't do that. And simply, if you'd like to export it or do anything with that, you can click here to add other stuff. If you'd like to add Farmer, Web, Table, Figma, Griffy, video, anything. And in case you had any questions, you can go here and click into this button. And finally, when you want to download it, click on share and just click and copy this link from here. Can play here, test they have can play as well, link to current page if you want. And when you are done, copy link, and if I paste it over here, as you may see, I can play the video and I can go through slides, read them, and go back. As you can see, of course, the one who's gonna read it, they will not be able to actually edit it, so you don't have to worry about this part of your job. So, and in case you'd like to upgrade your plans so you can have more points, you can just click here and upgrade it with $8 per month. It is a pretty cool feature. $8 is pretty cheap for month. If you'd like to make it monthly, it will cost you $10 I mean. So it is pretty the same. I highly suggest you to go for the monthly one because you will not always need it. So don't go for the yearly one in case you will not use it always. And for that being said, that was it with Tom AI. I hope you liked this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.